Mema Obi Akwaba Eba GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. Kennedy Agyapong, a baby or the assembly to there for a special prosecutor. Kissi Agyebeng Abraye. Now the Akufo Addo as special prosecutor. Nisa Moka and Nabemu and Ghana. Now, some of the assembly now about the Mensah. So we now subscribe to the channel now, Mensah over subscribe. Odi Awobea na say over click the subscribe button na wabele notification no we have sa video fufu bi e be upload no so wonsa ever can be after we are now like video no my thumbs up, give us a thumbs up na fe wa share ma ofofro so na wo gidi na wonhwe afi yeko ensem ni special prosecutor Kissi Agyebeng and Martin Amidu at the petition according the president. Now that got before to say about 1 minute through was as maybe Akoto out to say and say emphata. Now the president. Now that Kwaku Addo so for the petition come chief justice. Now chief justice so at the krata come special prosecutor Kissi Agyebeng say on fa anu yemra won sema Martin Amidu dia to petition. Now, answer na yerefa Kissi Agyebeng abe special prosecutor. Kennedy Agyapong wodi ensembi atuga na no na abemu ana amanfose o ye prophet nsem okai na abemu. Na yesemre no yetie Kennedy Agyapong. Nsem so si abronye DC bono regional chairman ono so council efa Kissi Agyebeng ho na yekoti ensem a wani wu na edituga efa Kissi Agyebeng ho. Yetie Kennedy Agyapong video bia na abronye DC ono so ne bia no eto aso. And somewhere
Now, what about special prosecutors? You see, I've got a new one about. What are your expectations?
My expectation, anything.
Sir, maybe about pain. I can't remember say the match in Dubai. You for one the party. So maybe you're more corner a whole true. This time around, minyanti be no wakana manti. Who they wakan fa home, minti they wakan fa home. Na yet now 2 years. Yeah, and yes, should we expect a change? And now you see an I could do.
I personally don't expect any change.
Until when say bogus.
I won't use the word bogus
okay.
Because you haven't tried them.
All right. You
haven't tried them. We'll give him benefit of the doubt. But the way I see things, there will be no change. Because it's no different from the judicial lane. If you ask Martin Amidu, when he needs information, it's not provided. It will be very difficult for this new guy, to get ample documents indicting Kofo to prosecute.
Who is supposed to make those provisions?
Let me tell you. Sammy, Udinibi, OG, Enna, what problem? Say, we are Ministry of Edinkra. Okay? OG has friends here. So if I go after OG, no, the documents I have, it has to be certified by workers who investigation. No more approval documents are here to confirm. If they don't give it to you, what do? Here say, Gaji came to report OG to me. Showed some documents, but I have to authenticate it through investigation. What you say? Who could do na a block? You see, it comes back to the attitude. So, a challenge for him. And now, ministry, you cannot say that the whole ministry, AMPP for one. Or you cannot say under NDC, the whole ministry. No ANDC for one. A mixed. And the Ebape Uba say Obi sympathizer. Epe put to impediments. That is why I'm saying that there will be no change.
Okay.
That's now with a whole to make easy power.
So Mahama was right. Mahama was right.
Yeah, why not?
To say that to Nanado.
Yeah.
So what you're cheering
yes. Say Frimpong Boatin pa ni office. What the documents are mommy? Make Jinasuni Kwaku Bakudma court. I show evidence. Yeah. Papa did not come to court to testify. Now you boo asem neguso. Say, wow, what a politics. What do you say?
Okay.
Special Prosecutor. Once I meet him, say, Baku Netinoso. And 9 MPP for a trouble so. Who to be prosecutor? Me, my boo bet. I was up Mensah we. I shall say.
Or okay, Ghana forward GD 154 more.
Asa. Galamsey, only a greedy bastard. And the people. Galamsey, only a greedy bastard. Mama won't warning. So, Obi.
See, I'm a Unquanoma. Made me cry about for it. Me here, dear me to me. I'm reswan. Echo. Should I feel frustrated and resign? I took an oath when I was sworn in. And in my life, when I take on the reins to do something, I do it to the best of my ability. I ought him. Those who do not understand tree, please forgive me.
Kissi Agyapong Ati as a lawyer. Emma DSP Basintele, Emmanuel Basintele. And now me no kase Kissi Agyapong man appointment letter ebra appointing na case ni yankan wie no. Wafana as investigator one who client. Enti influence of peddling.
Influence peddling no.
Why office in there? Maybe so. Well, you see, influence peddling no. Why office in there say let us talk about this matter. Ghana for Monsorio. Where your man penny na na do dan kwa Akufo Addo. Wasempa. Una wa appointee no. Just in the office no. Ube remove na because of say office no. A court, but he should resign.
Why should resign?
Kissi Agyapong should resign because of this. Because he's not clean.
Is it because of a report or their bench now?
Not because of this report. Who see? Influence
peddling.
Peddling na ye can wasem no. Obi Yusuno. The council of
position as council of state and then board member for Gapua.
Me was no report na ankasa sign indict wa ankasa because the position is on the yempa anya adwuma. And a benchmark na aduche ni maye no e follow within the law. That is why owie ye na ohun say e time and no time can damwa one e time. Because ni antia o time can damwa ne say or requesting second Nedamwa to release one Akrugu. Our custom division. Na omra ni office ona Nedamwa se men releasing manemba. Sa Akrugu ne yira Mrs. Akrugu ne Adwa Safwa ne contest 2020 elections.
Elekpelem Akrugu.
Elekpelem Akrugu.
Elekpelem Akrugu.
Elekpelem Akrugu.
NDC PC for Dom Kwabena.
2020
elections.
Ni kunu entina Kissi Agyapong time Nedamwa. Ema sanse okromo. Ni kunu safra na na Adwa Safwa contest 2020 elections no. Ni kunu ni Kissi Agyapong ena di have do fufuo.
Na have do nsabam.
Ana mo di fufuo.
Am have do for so de bi omu tie yon tie de hie tia mo. Anasa enye bone ana sa Kissi Agyapong office no. E political.
Yere yate. Enti sase en release obi a. Sase wo da office ne nya political. Ba wo ne nkrofo mo political affiliation na nam. Enti e de ya. Dabi wona me bisa question.
And some ye Ghana for.
O me Ghana for. Ani aye ne ya of political.
Na manpani o manpani bi so de NDC ni na court na nya ma tia me du na court.
Mpacho yate. Yate. Wo de oba also office ne nya political. Enti yate. Wo si ye release obi Akrugu ani yire ni Adwa Safwa ne contest ye. No me yadmo office e na Nedamwa se o man ne machna. Wo si ne machre opa. Nti sorry report na a time report no the yes Nedamwa kra ni tumi so be approve. But interpretation ya me de ma wo law yi. Ene ne report no kan no. Wo fi se nya abro report wa. Ani ye mra enipa okofa na as investigator as say Ghana for tuanka obi a wawia gold na Ghana police service are interdict no na obefa wo Kissi Agyabeng as a lawyer ebra na e appointed wo no wonya post wie ya no wa appointed the very DSP Emmanuel A. Basintele no as an investigator enya influence peddling ni bi no wo da ka kire me kire say influence peddling nti yemfa ni ye ho. This is the letter I just read to you. Unja nipa ho pa he Ghana ha nkrofo a mo kam say ye anti corruption crusaders no wo mo ne bokro no. Yes, Kurama anti corruption crusaders no. So wo mo ye corrupt change dia.
So you are calling on the special prosecutor
to resign because police officer who act as a client e the man na asem ni nwuye no.
Asem ni ye niwe.
Yan kan ye. What for Sammy panel do pem say I am the special pro akwa na oba ni motorcade the term president. Kissi Agyapong ni motorcade term president. O person ni hu yehu. He masa akwa na chim wo kuro wa to say wachi obi biem.
And only no personal score.
And personal me say akwa ba ko no dia say obehunahuna nipa no. Ohunahuna oduru me borderline no. Ye friend na kura last stop. Akwa ba ko no yes obehunahuna nipa okuro ma no.
Na when the Ghana police net.
And I'm say akwa ba ko no ba kuro ma so obehunahuna no. Me da wunya touch me last stop.
And your two no ntimi nti obi a.
Na me last stop akura last stop. Medum ni ja. Me bompa bia me mompa pa ma medum uja. Last stop.
Yo, Tifo, waiting, and some of your Kennedy Agyapong, a comprehending some of the two a bright fire, Kissi Agyapong, a special prosecutor, also on a project with the and some go nara at 2. Mika say, this so, and now, hello, say, we young subscriber, ya. Let's just say, over subscribe on like it. Now, watch a video, Rama, of for so, any be now, watch it. Also, waiting me actually, what in your fire, and some way now, I will comment box in Mobete, Minkadu, in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.